Check out those things. So cool. Mud flaps are dope. You can see that, maybe, end caps. 36. Look at that guy. So cool looking. But, it's a good question. What are we doing?
We're going to pick up the Corolla.
No,
from the body shop.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not. We're doing...
Oh, you're installing the Banks pedal commander thingy majig?
No.
What are you doing then?
Good Lord. I'm giving you a chance to rant about how much you love this truck. We're in Chevy 2500 HD.
Yeah.
Yeah, she hates it. Why do you hate it, Brooke?
Well, because it let me down.
No.
It did. It doesn't, the gas pedal doesn't work.
Is this thing on?
It is on. Can't you feel it?
I can't see
vibrating. Oh, because...
What did you do?
I turned it down at night because it was so dark. It came up. Didn't you see it?
Shh.
No, you should. Do I have to come over there and show you?
It's not doing anything. It's this one, isn't it?
Yeah. It is doing.
No, it's not. You're not allowed to drive my stuff anymore. Don't.
I did not break it.
Don't mess with my video stuff.
I did not break it. Oh.
And you have to intentionally hit it. Anyway, I don't know. We're getting lost here. Okay.
Anyway.
The acceleration.
I almost died getting onto the interstate.
Anyway, the acceleration on this thing from 0 till it actually starts like freaking moving is terrible. It's like super slow until the boost kicks in around 2,000 RPMs, and then it'll smoke the tires. Like it's kind of, I'll be honest, it's kind of silly. Now I read online and found somewhere that if you leave it in tow haul mode, in trailer mode, it starts in first gear, and otherwise it starts in second gear, and so it feels super slow and laggy. I found that to be pretty good, actually. I typically just get in and put it straight in trailer mode, and that does seem to help. But even so, it's not awesome. And we're coming we got a 2017 Ford F450, and I absolutely loved everything about that truck. It's amazing. I get it, it's a 450, it's a 2500, that's a dually, blah blah, I get it. But just the throttle response on this has been disappointing. So we bought the Banks Power, what is this called? Banks Power Pedal Monster Kit. And I am desperately excited to see how it does. So we're gonna do from a stop on this little road here. Okay, we're completely stopped. Pedal all the way down. Nothing. There we go. All right. Well, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. It does honestly seem kind of inconsistent.
It's very inconsistent.
Brooke was towing some Sea-Doos, getting on an uphill on-ramp onto the interstate, and it was so slow.
No.
She literally...
It literally would not go past 24 miles an hour. It literally stopped going faster at 24. And I was trying to get on an 80-mile-an-hour interstate.
I wasn't in the truck with her, so I can neither confirm nor deny.
It literally did that. I'm not stupid. I know how to drive a freaking car.
Yeah.
And I know how to use a gas pedal.
Well, we'll come back to that later.